Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. There was a preview of what the nails will look like at the end of the video. So if you would like to have these same nails, go ahead and follow along in the video and complete these steps. Easy, simple steps. I'm not a pro. I just do my nails at home. I make them with PressOns and then I add them to my nail. So if you would like your nails to look like this, just keep on watching. I'm adding base gel right now. At this point, this is the base gel that I use. I don't think base gel makes a difference. Maybe I should. So I ordered Lizette's gel, the same gel that I'm using for the builder gel. So just a base gel, put a thin layer. After you buff, I buffed in the last video. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it now. Finish this video first and then go ahead and watch it. But here I'm adding the builder gel and I'm trying different techniques to see what helps spread it best. And I realized rotating it, I always rotate to get it out the jar, but I realized rotating it on the nail also helps with controlling where the gel goes. Again, I'm using a smaller brush. I started using it with the last set. I'm using a smaller brush to have more control again of where the gel lays. There's a point in the video where I wanted the gel to even out a little better, so I flipped the nails upside down. There's different things you can do. Again, I'm experimenting. I do my own nails. I've been doing them for not a year yet, but I'm coming up on a year. And I started out with poly gel, and then I started doing builder gel. I have videos of some of the nails and I'm compiling it from when I first started so that I could have a video and show my progression. Because I was like, what was I thinking? But anyway, here I'm spreading a thin layer of the builder gel first and then stacking it and layering it above like Lizette does in her videos. Sometimes that works and then sometimes I forget because I'm not used to doing that, and I go back to just layering it. See there, I have it upside down and then I fix it, and then I go ahead and I'm curing after each nail, and I do it for 10 to 30 seconds. I forgot if I was doing it 10 seconds here or 30 seconds. I believe 30 seconds, but I think I'll start doing 10 seconds because I got a UV light with a higher wattage, and that was because of the last builder gel I was using. It was melty. I don't know how else to explain it. I have a video showing how the nails are like dripping off of some nails I was doing, the builder gel. But with this one, I think I could do 10 seconds. Don't worry about being perfect with the drill. The hand file will solve all your problems. You're welcome. nail supply, beauty supply, beauty supply, beauty supply, Amazon, and the rest of the rhinestones, Amazon. For this middle finger, this jewel there, the square pink thing, I should have added a thick layer of top coat or clear builder gel to hold it in place because it kept snagging on everything. So beware when you're wearing one like this one that I'm putting on right now. It snags on everything. I now have a thick layer of top coat on it, and it's perfect. So I'm like, I should have did that from the beginning. So whenever there's one with edges prickly like that on the end, just add a big layer of top coat, cure it for 10-20 seconds, 30 seconds if you have to, and it'll work just fine and it'll look just as good. It makes it even more shiny. I'm adding cuticle oil to my cuticles, and this is a finished product. I love these. These are my absolute favorite type of nails to wear. I get a lot of compliments on these. Only thing I'll add is I should have added top coat to the top of the middle jewel so that it wouldn't fall out. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day, night, weekend, week, whenever you're watching this. Thank you.